Morning, YouTube. We have a package. SuperATV package. Krusty Rusty's getting some forward control arms. And then 32s put on. The old Ranger. And that's what's here today. There, look at them fuckers. Oh yeah, nice. Well, as you can see, tear the front of your Polaris apart. But that's got to come off.
Scrap it by Can-Am.
Winch has got to come off. Because you can't get to the A-arm bolts without doing so. Yeah. Overall, not the best design I've ever seen. But boy, this thing's going to look sick when it's done, eh?
Oh, yeah.
Oh, fully adjustable lowers. Oh, yeah, all the camber adjustment. They sent a shit ton of stuff, too, that we don't need. Time joint tie rod ends. It comes out of the box. Yeah, tie rod ends that are hind joints. What are you building?
Stuff for Krusty.
Are you having fun? So basically, press all your ball joints out, put them in your new arms, like those two, and then press all your bushings out and put them in your new arms, and then reassemble. We're gonna just skip all this part and see what it looks like it's done. We went over to Pat's and got tires mounted and balanced. 32s. Yeah, they're snug. No doubt. Boy, could use a wheel spacer too, I think. Yeah, not bad. Set it down on the ground, check the camber, make sure that's good. Alignment. Throw all the bumper back together, put that back on. And then this thing should be all done, wrapped up, ready to go. Alright guys, that's a wrap. She's all done. This is the first ride. We tape measure, aligned it best we could, adjusted the camber. Seemed alright. Driving pretty straight. So I'm pretty happy with that. I mean, obviously, put some miles on it, let everything settle in and break in, and then check it all over again. Pretty good. Looks good. Oh yeah. I didn't tell anybody. These are they're 32 KENDA Cleaver XTs. They mounted hard too. We had to use a blast gun and go to CJ's and get his bazooka. But there it is. 25 northstar Forward A arms, Super ATV 32s. Like and subscribe. We'll see you next time.